Today we're gonna make Piku go viral on social media. Yeah, he always wanted to get viral in social media, you know, get those bird baddies and stuff. First, to make that account, we need an account for Piku. So I made 3 different accounts, like one is in Instagram and another one is in YouTube and another one is in TikTok. So yeah, let's go and see how is the for that we need a profile pic. Hey, what do we got here, bro? W bro, oh my god. Hey Piku, isn't that profile pic fire, bro? Okay. So yeah, this is the Instagram we have. Piku Farts Alive. Isn't that fire, bro? So this is the TikTok account. You know, Piku likes rice. Because yeah, Piku likes rice. Piku wants to be famous because obviously, bro, account creation is like the easiest part. So what we need now is a video. I'm on a mission to make this bird, Piku, go viral. So he always wanted to go viral and keeps telling me that he wants to go viral in every freaking social media. So let's make it happen, guys. Please like this video and follow for Piku to be famous. Fire content, bro. Bro, fire content. Bro, fire video, bro. Piku, wasn't that video fire, bro? You're gonna get like millions of views, bro. What? Are you swearing at me? Bro, what we're gonna do is now just post it. So now we're gonna wait and like see what happens to the video. And he just dumped in my freaking table. Oh my god, Chad. Oh my god. Oh my god! The video got 1 view on TikTok. And it got 11 views on YouTube. And that subscriber, that's me. Hey, at least it got like 171 views on Instagram. Hey, no boys, Piku. At least 2 person likes your video. Okay, he doesn't care. Don't you worry, I got 2 more videos to post on social media. I made 2 more videos. Yeah, let's go on. Oh my god, bro, Sigma edit, bro, Sigma edit. Oh my god, Piku, hey Piku, how's that video, bro? Bro, how's that video? Yo! Use that template in like cappuccino or something. I don't know what it's called. A W template. I found that on CapCut. Also this one. Hey Piku, that's cute, right? That's cute, right? Right? That's chill, bro. Whoa, he's trying to bite me. Isn't that cute? Oh shit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna post those 2. If those also flopped, I'm sorry, Piku. Yeah, we failed. So yeah, it's been like 3 days. I posted like 3 more videos on the channel. 2 of them are friggin' brain rots.
To all my haters, don't mess with me.
And another is like another that talks like stuff. Piku got 1, 2, 4 and 0 views on TikTok. It did do pretty good. I mean decent amount. On Instagram, 6 people liked this video, 4 shares. I have no clue who shared that thing. And 1 repost. At least we got a fan though. I don't know who's this, but yeah, someone actually reposted that. But in YouTube, they actually got so many views. Also got 5 comments. That's actually crazy. And one of them is like a fan. Even though people like flopped on freaking TikTok, it actually got the video that we posted there. It actually got 36 likes and 1 comment. And in every video, someone commented. And he's like, I don't know, a fan or something. Moaz. I don't know who that is, but yeah. Hey bro, you got a one fan bro. Isn't that crazy? These shorts actually did better than my stupid ass shorts. Oh my
Oh, it's so cute.
Shiver my whiskers. Whoa, whoa. I mean, fans. Literally, can we say that Piku have gone viral? Did Piku succeed? No, I mean, kinda. He actually got some views and some likes. Actually got some support from random people, but we surely didn't hit the million stack up. What the heck is he eating? But what? Bro is not the alpha. Are you sure? We actually didn't stack up like a million in those two videos in like 3 days. In the end, Piku didn't actually go viral. He did decent, but you know, it's not about the views, guys. It's about the bird. Yeah, it's about the bird.